everyone, hope you're doing well. Welcome to week 13. So this is a week, of course, where we're going to study for that all-important final exam. So when you take a look at the course schedule, we were just on health literacy and communication. We have moved on to week 13. We're going to review for our final exam, which will be due by 11/22 end of day. And just a note about the final exam, it is via Blackboard. So when I open it up, which will be next week, you'll have up to the 22nd to complete it. So it's not going to take too terribly long. It is proctored from the perspective of it is in Blackboard, and we have to close all browsers. So there's an element to that to make sure that there is no cheating from that end, but it would be due the 22nd. So you're going to have a week to review, and then you're going to have the final exam open on the 18th and have it due on a Wednesday, the 22nd. So when you scroll down to week 13, there's two sections that I want to point out. First is a review about culture and communication. So this review is something that you should watch prior to the final exam review. There is not a discussion post in this week's material, but it is a little left over from the class that we didn't have enough time to get to from the perspective of the weeks being a little short. So make sure you take a look at this. There's some videos in here. Of course, the TED Talks are going to be optional, but make sure you watch the introduction and then the Chapter 6 review, and then there's some PowerPoint slides. Homework for Chapter 6 will be due. Homework for Chapter 6 is due on the 19th. So make sure you do your homework for Chapter 6 by the 19th. No discussion board. And then if you go back to the same page, you're going to have week 13 final exam prep. So this is where I have the all-important final exam review. So when you click on that, it's going to tell you exactly what to study. So be sure to take a look at that and start studying ASAP, because this is the week where we want to get that in. So a little bit more due this week than we normally have, but make sure you work diligently to get those two things done. One, the Chapter 6 review questions, which are in the other part of the course content, week 13, and then your final exam review. I'm going to post a little bit more information in the in the announcement page as well about the test, just some more review questions. And if you have any questions for me, don't hesitate to reach out. Thanks for all your effort, and I look forward to an awesome rest of the week. Thanks so much. Another word, I will post another check-in video before the final exam is due, so we'll have a little more information for you and some more help for you in order to review to make sure you do well. Thanks so much.